think I'll make this in just. Hello, please don't be offended. The network, I don't know what happened to the network. People have been calling me directly. Please, and like I say, you guys should stop calling me directly whenever I'm on live. I can't pick your calls. Please, I'm begging. Stop calling me directly, okay? Call me on this program, then I'll pick your call. Calling me on private won't help anything. Okay, please. I'm back again, please. I'm so sorry for that little breakup. I'm going to make it up again for you guys. Please keep on sharing the program. Keep on telling people I'm back again, because the network, I don't know, people are disturbing. People keep calling me privately. I don't like that. Please, I beg of you people, stop calling me privately. Call directly to the program. You make your own contribution. Then we'll move on. Okay? So sorry for that breakup. So sorry. Hello? Hello? So sorry for that breakup. Now these people, they call me private. I don't know what they want to tell me private. Hello? Okay, come back. I'll man know what I'll try to call you. Man know what I'll call you from here. Just come back. The watch I don't like now. Come back now. People, they call me private. Making thing hang. Call me back. Okay. Hello? 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 What did they do your network? Please, Fumila, please check your network and call back, because it's hanging. I can't hear anything. Nobody's hearing what you're saying. Please try your network and call back, okay? I'll be glad to pick your call, okay? Please work on your network and call back, because now I could have read so many comments that people are dropping, but due to people are calling me privately, I can't be able to, read all those comments again. So please do call back. I'm going to pick your call. Just try and call back, okay? So we are adding another person. We are bringing another person to the camera. Let's hear what she has to tell us about the topic we are dealing on today. Okay. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program. What's your name, please?
My name is Mommy Bianca.
Okay, what do you have to tell us about the topic we are dealing on?
You guys have been doing great.
Okay, thank you so much for that recommendation.
Please remind me of the topic again.
Okay, the first topic is it a crime or is it a taboo for a girl to take his husband out, for a wife to take his husband or boyfriend out? And the second topic is it right for a guy or a girl to have two girlfriends or two boyfriends?
Very nice topic.
Okay, so what do you have to tell us about this?
The first one about a girl taking her boyfriend out is not a crime.
Okay.
A brother made a comment before that if your girlfriend want to take you out, the girl should give you the money. The girl should give the money to the boy to pay. Yeah. That is totally wrong.
Okay.
If you want to fund on Jazzy, if you want to fund that you are the one that paid, then pay with your own money. You understand?
Okay.
If you want to say you are the one that pay with your own money.
Okay.
Because we Africans, most time, I bet me I live English, my brother. I may not go be like say the fuck.
Okay.
Most time, we Nigerians, we have that mentality of na guests in Europe, na guests supposed to do am. You understand? One person cannot build a family.
Okay.
You understand? If you want to say is the only the girl supposed to take me out. Most boys in Europe, they will say girls supposed to be for me, girls supposed to be taking care of their boyfriend. It's totally wrong.
Okay.
Because one person can't build a family. You do for me, I do for you.
Okay.
Because in relationship does not favor only boys, does not favor only girls. The relationship favor the two both sides.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you want your girlfriend to take you out, it's a good thing. Maybe on a Sunday, you people came back from church. Honey, I would like to go out.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
If the girl have, she will take you out. If you are the one that have, you will also take the girl out.
Okay.
In that aspect of Euro boy saying, I find now, or now she say she wants me, she's supposed to take care of me. It's totally wrong.
Okay.
If a boy like you do such thing to your sister, how will you feel?
That's the point. I hope everybody's hearing you.
What even Bible say, what you don't want others to do to you, don't do it to anybody.
Okay.
Before you consider, before you will be thinking of a girl taking you out, think of if my sister call me now, tell me that she's in a beer parlor, she's in a bar, she's in a restaurant, and after everything, I'm the one to pay. How will you feel? Take the girl out, she take you out. It's vice versa.
Yeah. So what about
understand?
What about the second topic?
The other topic, if it is right for a girl to have two boyfriends, is wrong as well.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
If you think your boyfriend is no longer enough for you,
yeah,
break up with him and go for, maybe you have seen somebody better than him.
Okay.
Instead of you to be happy, to be collecting for the rich and making the poor to get rich, to enrich the poor. You understand?
Yes. Okay.
Because if most times girls fall victims of most times boys do entice girls with gift.
Yeah.
They will be telling you, I know you have boyfriend, but test me.
Yeah.
Understand?
Now,
There's a parable that says, if you don't want to eat, don't lick. You understand?
Yeah.
If you don't want to eat, don't lick.
Okay.
So instead of you dating two boys, I think you should just leave the former one and go with the new one.
Yeah.
Because as usual, if your brother tell you, my girlfriend has two boyfriends, how will you feel as a girl?
Oh.
It's totally wrong.
Okay. So thank you.
So men not come go be like say we two they do this thing.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope people are very
last.
Okay.
I greet the house.
Okay, now thank you so much. That one come from Mama Bianca all the way from Italy. Okay, she just made her own contribution. So the line is still free for you to call in and make your own contribution. So I'm so sorry for that little breakup because of people are calling me privately. I don't know what they want to tell me on private, but all still the same. Please call me directly here on this program. I will bring you to the camera, then you make your own point, okay? Please, as you are connecting, just be snappy, okay? That everybody will just hear what you want to say, make your point, and that's just it. We move on the program. So you're welcome.
Yeah, I felt come before. Now, Bobo John.
Okay, continue.
I love that talk when Mama Bianca talk. I say make her give her three boza for her.
Okay.
He finish work, now make me come back.
Okay.
I say me I greet her.
Okay, thank you so much for that call, okay? That one from Bojo Marty said he want to say boza to Mama Bianca all the way from Italy. So people are watching you, okay? So please make your contribution. Okay? Welcome back, our sister. Hello. 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 Fumi, I don't know what is happening to your line. Maybe you can use your friend own and call, because I don't know what's happening to your line. It's hanging. Okay, we lost that caller. Please try and make up your network and call back, okay? Please, as you're calling, make sure you make your point and let's move on the program, please, because we have a lot of callers that are coming in. Please. So let me quickly read comments as you are waiting for the caller to call.
Okay, I'm back again.
Yeah, make your point.
Okay, you see this topic you just bring in today. It's a great topic. I must say it's one of the greatest topic ever since started this program.
Okay.
You understand? This thing we are just dealing on today is what is happening in In fact, not only Europe, the whole nation.
The whole
You
nation, the
understand?
whole world.
Especially the whole world. Okay, let me use that word, the whole world.
Yeah.
You see, in this Europe, I now find out that our guests, I don't know whether it's demon. You will see a young girl like this. I was talking to a girl. I said, why is it so many girls are complaining that husband is difficult? We guys in this Europe, we are going to Africa to go and marry. It's just a simple mathematics. You as a young girl, just play your role. If you see a young guy, you don't need to predict that guy for sure. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't need to predict that guy for sure. You have to key up with that guy. You understand? Like that what that woman was just saying just now. I said it's not good for I was even looking some comments. It's not good for a girl to take his boyfriend to boutique or something like that.
Yeah.
If you as a girl, if you are not showing those things, because women we love what to see. You understand?
Yeah.
We love what to see. You understand? You say you are looking for a rifleman, you are looking for a rifle partner, and you are not showing that man a love. You cannot even buy a common boss hat that is not up to €10. So how did you want that boy to take you to take you? He will not take you serious now. You have to show that boy love.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Showing love with what you have.
Okay.
I know that money is not everything.
Yeah.
But sometimes you see this relationship of a thing. Sometimes it deals with money.
Yeah.
You understand? Then secondly, about is it good for someone to date is it good for a guy to date two girlfriends? And is it good for a girl to date two boyfriends? Let me come from the guy first. You see women and we are not satisfied. I don't know, it's the way God created us. You understand? It's not our fault. That's why you see most men now, they marry more than one wife. You understand?
Yeah.
If you are a girl now, you must not be questioning your boyfriend. Why are you cheating on me? Something like that. Don't question that guy. It's just for you to, baby, what you are doing is not good. Give that advice. As a lady, you have that right to advise your boyfriend. Baby, what you are doing is not good. Okay, because your boyfriend is cheating on you, want to go and cheat on your boyfriend. My dear, you are a fool.
Okay, just round up.
If you are a girl, you are practicing that, you are a fool because your boyfriend is cheating on you. So you want to go and cheat. You want to go and do same thing.
Okay.
You are putting your life in a lifeline. That means you don't want to marry, eh?
Okay.
Because if that boy, okay, I will round up, because if that boy find out that because he cheats, you want to cheat, that boy will leave you.
No.
You understand? At the end of the show, you will be the loser because there are so many fishes in the river.
Okay.
Women is not a problem in this Europe.
Okay.
You understand? But men is a problem in Europe to the girls.
Okay.
Bro, I'm telling you the truth. If I said I need 10 girl now,
Yeah.
I will get it. But it's not possible for the ladies.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Except you want to turn yourself to be a prostitute.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So you need a good man. You have to follow up. Don't question that guy. Just advise him. My boyfriend, what you are doing is not good.
Okay.
Repent. Change from your ways.
Okay.
You understand? But it's a crime. It's a very, in fact, bro, any girl that is dating more than one boy, that girl is a prostitute.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Now me talk, I they come arrest me.
Okay.
You understand? Any girl that is dating more than one boyfriend, that girl is a prostitute.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful
What are you using it to do?
Okay, let me bring another person to the camera because I don't have
You understand?
We're ending by 12. Because I beg. We're ending by 12. Let me bring another person to the camera. Okay, thank you so much. Please, please. That is own opinion. Let not just start any fight in this house. If I pick up your call, just make your point, please. I'm just begging. Just make up your point and let's move on. Don't pick any fight. Don't abuse anybody, please. If you start doing that, I'll cut you off.
Hello.
Yeah.
I come back. I don't understand.
Your phone they give problem.
My network, I don't know what they do. And my sister, my friend network now take call. We did the same place.
Yeah.
That guy will talk just now. That guy resembles Shentru. Because now Shentru men, now that they talk like that. As I did, if I go out with boy,
Yeah.
If I see the way he do me for the first time, not be go tell me I do something for him before I go do. I would may one love he needs surprise.
Yeah.
Not be like to say, let's go out. I'll go do shopping for you. Without that dear where I call my fast dear not dead there, I not love her.
Okay.
The boy ain't girlfriend. If you really love girl what you really love, even boy greet time a low self, you go the vet. Talk less you come buy something where you know say the girl not they work. You know girl where you forgot the bring money, you can't buy Versace for you, you can't wear that on the bend yansh they go. Who can love with that?
And this bending of Nash, now they make me the laugh. Say Ben Nash they go.
Go the bend yansh, go they do twang. When you know say the girl not they work, you go say pekus, you go say this thing, they go back cloth for you. You can't they wear her. 2 seconds that boy they make me they provoke.
No
Why
verse.
do they say girl? Okay, for example now.
No verse. Talk your own opinion.
That kind boy, if I say that kind boy, I feel they do every night for her. The boys where they around and I go the fuck at the end. I go take one serious among that boy. I now to buy clothes for boy, to buy clothes for my boy. Now my boy go take love you. He get something where the girl go do for your face for surprise you will take love her. Who can say I can't go buy t-shirts 50 euro, 80 euro, you will say I love you. That will not be love.
Okay.
Surprise thing about family. Maybe your mother just call her for a present, say, my pikin, I need money. Oh, I go from me back, go send money for a mother. And I be love, not be to buy t-shirt.
Okay.
Or to buy any of that. Now that one, maybe junior brother call say that's the brother one pay school fees. From there, go come out, I go dodge, collect it for a brother account. I'll go drop that money. Now I be love.
Okay.
What did they talk say? Go supermarket, go and McDonald's, go now today they want of McDonald's.
That one my own opinion. So just make your own opinion because this
No, if they thought that I say my head be one boss. I don't see where I want for call you since my head they grow that I be one boss. That make me call my neighbor, my friend, who come say my make come the
no boss. My point you water for no boss. I beg no boss.
The second one where they talk say, is it good for boys to date 2 man? Get we one really serious for husband as if you're like me, if you not put me here, say your husband they date 20 girls. Now you'll be that. I don't understand. So for me, you play your card where your husband will take win you.
Okay.
The man when me born for Nigeria, my first one is 20 years. My first one for Nigeria. Now me small pass among all the old girl where they afraid. If they go, they introduce me as the old junior sister. So for the end, now me become born for the man drive all of them.
Yeah.
The way when you take play your package, now it go matter for every other. So don't be say a girl supposed to date from the men fit date 10. If you date because you know if you control men. If men leave you for us saying they go store, you want to go buy pizza to come for you. You can't go carry girl, back of motor, you can't do before you come, you go no.
Now you the thing now. Well, thank you for
you
that
contribution.
contribution.
So only your own, you're the beg God say, God, make this man be mine. Now be that one. No matter you go monitor man, you go put padlock for that thing. You go carry spare key, they open that padlock, do what you want to come house.
Okay, there's no problem. Thank you so much for that contribution. Let me bring another person.
I'm not going to sell my pekus. Me, I can't take the metal on that man. You know day.
Okay.
Not be watching that boy. I can't go sell peku. I can't say go buy Versace for. I not. If I even sleep, I not go wake up tomorrow morning. Because that thing is very good night.
No verse again. No verse again.
I can contribute for this thing and my mind don't if not for no sleep till Wednesday again.
Okay, go sleep now, Abby.
Yes, I'll sleep now. If I don't talk to them, my mind.
What you promise me? You don't say you don't good to promise me.
Don't worry. I go call you. I think you use your number of your WhatsApp. Drop them. No problem.
Okay, I'll drop them for you.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna bring
another person to the camera. Okay, you gonna talk say.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh my God. This program this night, man, I don't go fight with myself. Hello, my sister. Hey, fine girl, sexy girl, better picking.
Oh, that Chris. First of all, that late way just now always laugh finish me. I don't laugh, I don't tire. If I had the boss.
That's nice. Say for so contribute for this program, eh? If I no sleep this night.
Oga Chris,
You're welcome.
concerning that, is it good for a girl to take his boyfriend out or his husband, right?
Yeah.
I would say that one is normal aspect of being with a girl.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about being with a girl, then go to the street to go and do prostitution and later come back and use your money to take a man out. No.
Okay.
My own aspect is that if you as a lady, you have money and your boyfriend or your husband also have money,
Okay.
there's love is sharing. You can
Yeah.
take your man out and your man can also take you out. That one is normal. To me, it's very normal.
Okay.
What's the other question? I don't understand
The
the other
second question
question.
is it right for a girl like you now to keep a two boyfriend, or is it right for a boy to keep two girlfriends?
This one hard though.
Because what opens
I would say, okay,
through
fine.
this program? Because the topic
I will use myself as an example. First of all, I'm not dating two boyfriends. That's me.
Okay.
I'm dating one person, that's the person I'm dating.
Okay.
But I do hear people say it's not good to lay your eggs on one basket.
Yeah.
So I don't just know about that one. I don't just know if it's good or if it's not good. I was thinking maybe you were asking if it's good or it's not good for somebody to have boyfriend or a girlfriend. That was what I was thinking. But that question hard though. Hard. Yeah, but it's normal. I will also say it's normal because there are people who have two boyfriends, two girlfriends, even more than that. But in all, there's this person that they really have genuine feelings for, you understand?
Yes.
So I don't just know. Like seriously, I don't know.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful
But it's very, 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 very normal for a guy, for a lady to take his or her spouse out. It's normal.
Okay,
that one is normal.
Yeah, thank you so much. I only miss you for this program. I know they show face again.
All right.
Okay, now bye. Thanks so much. Stay behind.
Bye. You can cut me over.
Okay. So let me bring another person to the camera. Then after that, I'll go to the comment box because we have a limited time now. Because at 11:55, I'll stop receiving calls and I'll go and read all the whole comments before I round it off for today. So in case you are privileged to be bring to the camera, please make your point and make it fast so that people can be able to benefit from what you are lecturing us with. Okay, you have another caller in the building. So hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name, please?
My name is Favor. I'm sorry, my light is off because my kids are sleeping.
Okay, there's no problem. So make your point.
So I just have a little contribution to what everyone is saying.
Okay.
My sister commented before I came online, but what I wanted to say is because of that Jugba, that guy that commented before.
Okay.
I am a mother. I have 2 kids.
Okay.
I'm not married yet. That's the fact.
Okay.
I can take my man out. My man can take me out.
Okay.
You understand? It's a very natural thing to do.
Okay.
But if a boy, maybe I'm dating a boy way back, the boy will sit his axe home. The boy will think I will go and work 15 hours, 13 hours, and bring the money to come and buy him buses. My brother, he go the waka for street or naked. He go just the waka for street naked. I don't care. Mama Bianca know me now. I be Mama Bianca's sister. My name na Favor. I respect man a lot. Okay. When my man is broke, maybe he's doing business, I can assist him because Bible say 2 hands are better than 1. Okay. You understand me? So I will help. But when you think I will go and squander my money, my air money after 14 hours, I will give it to you to buy buses or a Gucci. My brother, you go wear that boy go wear am for inside bush because I still say hair not correct. Sorry to use the word, not being insult.
Okay.
You understand? For the other one, if it is right for a lady to date 2 guys or a man to date 2 guys, it's vice versa. It's 50-50.
Okay.
You understand me? It's not good for a lady to be sharing herself to different men. That is the fact.
Okay.
But for a man as well, it's not good for you to take your pencil and start writing in every textbook you meet now. It's not proper.
Yeah.
When the woman is giving you respect, you give the woman respect as well.
Okay.
But the most important thing, a woman should not go and cheat because your husband cheats. Just respect yourself. That's when you are a virtuous woman, you behave like one.
Okay.
You understand me? So even in the Bible, many people God loves, they marry many wives
Yeah.
in the Bible, but the women never marry many men.
Yeah.
That is the priority of a woman. As a virtuous woman, don't double date.
Okay.
Lay your egg in one basket, not two baskets.
Okay.
Just stay there, respect the man, respect yourself. You're not doing it for the man, you're doing it for yourself, or maybe your kids, your future kids, or your present kids. You're respecting them.
Yeah.
Don't lay your egg and start laying them like a fowl. Nine. Where we come from, we respect ourselves as a woman. So that is my own opinion.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you so much for that wonderful advice and your own opinion, because I know some people have learned from
Thank you very much.
So
Good
I hope
night,
you join us
bro.
on Wednesday as well, because we do the program every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight.
All right, okay. I'll always be there. Since I see my sister there, I will always be here.
Okay, there's no problem. So thank you so much.
All right,
Okay.
thanks. Next time I'm going to put on my lights. Thank you.
Okay, there's no problem. I will appreciate
Bye.
that. Okay. Yeah, bye. Okay, that one is coming from Mama Favor. Okay, you guys have heard what she just said. Okay, please, guys. I know you guys are learning, because if you guys are not learning, I myself am learning a lot. Okay, so let's be straightforward.
Good
Okay,
evening,
hello.
everyone.
You're welcome
Good
back.
evening, everyone.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm Marcus by name or Sogobo.
Okay.
I just want to say to my sisters, they should not take the contribution of my brother personally, because my brother just expressed himself. Is what he know. That is what he speak.
Yeah.
Yeah. As for we new man, as a man or as a woman, it's good for a woman to take his boyfriend or his man out.
Yeah.
But man, it does not depend that your woman will take you out. You will just keep it in mind. Your woman supposed to take you out every day. That is not good.
Yeah.
It's good for a woman to take his boyfriend out. But for you, a man, don't put it in mind. Your woman supposed to do everything for you. No, that is wrong.
Yeah.
Secondly, it's not good for you to double date. It's not good. If you have a girlfriend, just stay with your girlfriend. Let your girlfriend know what you hate and what you don't, what you like and what you don't like.
Okay.
Know what your girlfriend like and what your girlfriend hates. The relationship will live long. It will lead to marriage.
Yeah.
That is my contribution. That is what I have. Please, sister, don't take my brother contribution personally. Please.
Okay. Thank you. She have heard what you said. Okay. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution, Sobobo. I hope you stay behind. I also hear from other people. Thank you so much. So please, whatever thing you heard here, you hear here or you had here, don't take it personal. Please, it's just the way it is. Okay. Please, just let's be in peace with one another. Okay. Don't take anything personal here, please. We are just here to help one another to understand one or two things. Okay, you're welcome.
I got it because of what that lady said. I really love what she said. Everything. She said the truth. I just want to say something that even fowls don't lay their eggs in different places. They lay it in one basket.
Yes.
So we as women, we should also try to lay it in one basket.
Okay. Anna, thank you so much.
And again, wait. Let me also add something to what she said. If you look at it, having two boyfriends or two girlfriends is a really big problem. You know that? Very big. Because maybe you're with one of the girl, or maybe you as a girl, you're with one of the guy, and the call is coming to your phone. You know that it's the other person.
Okay.
You're not comfortable, right?
Yes, that's the point.
No, let's be serious. There's no comfortable there anymore. You just like shaking, nervous, and all.
Shivering.
So she really said everything. She said it's very, very correct. It's a problem. Just concentrate on one. That's the best way.
Okay.
Because you are creating problems for yourself and all. So that's it.
Okay, now.
Sorry that I'm even calling communication.
Okay.
All right, you can cut.
Okay, now thank you so much for that
Yeah.
contribution. Yeah. Okay. It's still trading. It's still trading. It's still trading. So please know that once it's 11:55, I'll end the call and I'll start reading out tests. Okay, then I'll close the program. Okay, you're welcome, sir.
Hello, ragazzo.
Yeah, you're
Which
welcome,
one?
sir. Longest time.
I didn't see you.
You don't tell. You just that
You
day
don't
when
till
we
I
just
walk
now you
now.
just run.
No, I'm not wrong. I did.
Okay, so
We're waiting that guy talk. He wrong.
okay.
That guy, he wrong. Eh? Why are you still wrong? See, you know if he stay his house, make woman go out. Go to meet other man.
Okay.
Until they give you food, child.
Okay.
Not to go better for the man, because why? If they kill the man
Yeah.
image. You know if you
Yes.
stand up. If
Yeah.
you just sit down there. So
Yeah.
they try to come and go to do your shiroti normal work.
Yeah.
Say they buy bosses, buy clothes, say they swag. Maybe
Yes.
say that girl dey not be your stop.
Yeah.
You dey feel me? So if you dey buy job, how that girl fit catch you, comot you there, cloth you. Not be say you go sit down for his house, make that girl go dey use until they call bus stop like this, make go to dey feed you.
Yeah.
Guy, not you go better. So in another way, as man dey shit, that's so woman dey shit.
Okay.
If woman no want shit, make you no use am corner oyibo, because oyibo with us we get the same blood.
Yeah.
You dey feel me? So
Yes.
go work normal work. So that one join, that one comot.
Okay. One of
Anything
the first
concern
topic.
a man,
One
as
of
in I know understand that one.
the first topic now is it a crime or a taboo for a woman to take man out? As in for shopping, as in
I
go like Mr. B's or Tantalizer or Burger King or go buy and go as in or normal outing like that.
You cannot come and go buy things for her, or rather,
carry and go like a shop restaurant or fast
woman
food
fit
joint,
carry you
spot
come
and
out.
go
Woman fit carry you come out if the thing enter.
Yeah.
Woman fit carry you come out, but don't just wait make woman come dey carry you come out.
Okay.
Make you dey try for yourself, because why? Na the way that they find money reach, now we dey.
Yeah. Okay.
If you sit down with us, the thing go pass. So that's why I say I reach.
Okay.
You dey feel me?
Yeah.
So that's so.
Okay.
No?
Yeah, thank you for the contribution. Okay, now bye. Okay, that's a nice one from one of our contributors, always there for us. Okay, let's also approve another call. Please just hold on. I'm gonna pick all the whole calls. I'm picking it according to how it's coming in. Please, in case you are picking your call, just make it snappy, just make it more fast. Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. Now if I connect time, man, I want us to talk one thing.
Okay, just
bro, see
make them fast because other people see the call.
now yeah. See guy with the double teeth and bros. You put on this way, bros. As you did this too, bros.
Yeah.
You dey work. You dey receive 1,000 euro per month.
Yes.
You dey pay house rent. You dey pay water bill.
Yes.
You dey pay gas. You go feed your mama for Nigeria. Last money we go remain for your hand. Matter say na 200 euro for month.
Okay.
You fit get married. You date two girls to be said that go out of you every month. 200 euro for your hand every month. You date two girls. I want to pay their two.
That be the problem. Now out of ignorance.
Bro, say guy with the think, guy with the think, not fit try that kind of thing.
Yeah.
You dey work or you dey receive just 1,000. Your mama dey there. Yeah, I just so bros.
Yeah.
I get pikin. They call me say, focus dey date two girls again.
Join the
pikin dey go school.
Yeah.
Pikin dey go school.
Yeah.
I go pay school fees comot. Then I come fit pay for house rent.
Yeah.
Do everything. Last money come not pass 50 euro.
Yeah.
They go expect me to carry two women for my head.
Okay.
And the guy will do that, bro. Blessing, all the guys they do that in they find something for those girls and not between they get the fancy for you.
Okay, now.
All our
So
guys with the follow sugar mommy.
yeah. Okay, now no problem. Now thank you so much
Right
for that
now.
contribution. Now I'll bring another person coming. Okay, we'll have a lot of callers in this program today. At least this topic for today now fire, now bomb. So please, once you come to the camera, please just make it snappy so I can be able. Okay, you're welcome to the program, brother. What's your name, please?
Big man.
You're welcome to the program.
Big man.
Yeah, good evening. You're welcome to the program.
You are blessed.
Yeah, what do you have to say
How you
about the
doing,
topic we are
man?
discussing today?
Please, I need to send a lot of things. It's like you don't know me again. I see the talk when they play talking drum for your church.
I know. Because this is an air program, not really my program. Everybody they watch, they watch on our program.
So my contribution is all about that. I hear some things where people they contribute about a lady that is you ask the question, is anything wrong concerning where get take mine out?
Yes.
Well, nevertheless, it's not wrong. You know why?
Why?
They say this hand, wash this hand. Now the hand till they clean.
Okay.
Two things work together.
Yes.
That is why they see man and woman. They say when two heads are together, make a good plan.
Okay.
That is why we see husband and wife.
Yeah.
But some people when they come like it's necessary every day. Woman must take me out. That is error.
Okay.
You don't need to take her as a contract. Say my woman must do everything.
Okay.
In life, a man is entitled to take care of woman, not a woman to take care of a man.
Yes, sure.
If you can watch the way they create a woman for the rib of a man, not a woman ribs a great man.
Okay.
And that one doesn't mean woman they are slave to men. No.
Yeah.
It can never. But he made as a partner to a man and to a woman.
Yeah.
So let me come to the other way around where that bros they talk just now. See, a woman when they also they go cook, give man.
Yeah.
We get assistance.
Yeah.
When a man can build home, woman build home.
Yeah.
Because like for example, when you are searching, you need to work for your home so that everything will become normal.
Yeah.
Like if a woman want to build home, a woman can build a man.
Yeah.
One man can build woman.
Yes.
Is it similar to that aspect where would they come from just now? See, both of two people can take each other out where body sweet.
Yeah.
The same thing with that level too.
Okay.
When woman get it can assist.
Yeah.
A man is building a home.
Yeah.
What
was the second topic?
Which one be the second topic? Because
the second topic now, is it good as a guy will be so may get two girlfriend, as a girl may get two boyfriend?
My brother, for Europe, if you get two girlfriend na for your own, no. Now that one na for your pocket. Now you know how you take on them. One, even one self na problem.
Okay.
I take the problem. Two people, one room for Europe here, one room according to that bros went to class. Now one room for here. Two people is 300. Calculate how much you dey work first. Check your pocket. I reason back way back home. Because the thing I will do for home, now that they know you as a man. Thank you very much. Who get two girlfriend? Now for your pocket, if I may get 20.
Okay.
But for my own, don't get more than one.
Abi.
Now waiting Mr. A get, now Mr. B get too. Now the way you package them.
That's so.
Now you people take help you value them.
That's so. Yeah, thank you so much for the wonderful contribution.
Yeah, I really appreciate this. Today is my first day.
Our time they run out now. Join us again on Wednesday. They start the program from 9 o'clock to 12 midnight. So
I follow about this is my first time now to try to contribute.
Okay, now thank you so much for that contribution.
I greet everybody.
Okay, now bye. So as I see, I beg, I will pick only 2 more calls and I'll stop picking calls. So please, if you are lucky to be picked among these 2 callers, okay, brother, just quickly round up. You are picking only 1 more call again after yours.
Let me just make a little contribution on those the comment I'm reading. It get waiting. I constantly think I felt caught before for the first time. It get waiting I still think like those double dating. Waiting according to one bros when felt caught just now. That one are bros. So he say if you not the double date, make you not put on Igbo for front.
Okay.
You know, say it gets some guests now when go say when you go the friend, they will say my Oyibo they call me I get one my Oyibo, I get the, not talking near me. And most those double dating, it come through through like I don't have money. Okay. If you be guy when really they try on your own, no girl go double date for you. No, you no go double date. If you are not a cheater, don't be expecting your girl to be cheat.
Okay.
If you are a cheater, expect your girl to be cheat. Okay. And if you get money, if you get waiting to take care of your girlfriend, if you get everything, your girlfriend will not cheat on you.
Okay.
And secondly, the other one be say, me as a guy like me, I don't feel my girlfriend not feel come house tell me say, baby, dress up. I'm taking you out today. It's not possible.
So
I will not
go
give
you that kind of I go reject her.
I will reject it.
Bros, call me, I go.
Because I will not go with you.
Why?
If you have something, not that if you buy for me, I will not take it. If you have something, girls, they do their relationship, they make surprise to man. Not that you will tell me that I should dress up and follow you. We are going out today. You are taking me out. You cannot take me out. I'm the one to take you out. If you have surprise for me, you bring your package. If you have something for me that you like, buy it there where you found the thing. Buy it there in the supermarket. Bring it for me in my house as a surprise. I will not know. You just give it to me. I'll take it from you. But coming to my house, telling me that, baby, we are hanging out today. So let me take you out. I'm not going with you, my dear.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'm not going.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. We'll bring 1 more person because we'll get time again. Anna, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Okay, this is the last caller on this program. So please, after this call, and I don't call again because I will not pick your call. I want to use the 5 minutes that remain to round up the program. So please, as the last caller, just round up. Let me just round everything up.
Okay. Like what this brother just said just now, said if you are trying, a girl will not cheat on you. I will tell you that statement is wrong. You understand? Yeah. Have you seen a rich man now? A rich man, his wife will be having sex with the gate man. It's happening in Nigeria. So women they are not satisfied. You understand? That's why before we go into a relationship, before we go to marry, we just have to pray to God for the rightful one. No matter the amount of money you spend for a woman, if you want to cheat on you, we still cheat. You understand? By you spending your money for your girl or your woman, that will not stop her for her not to cheat. She will still cheat. You understand?
Yeah.
What matters in a relationship is just that trust, love. If you want to cheat, you cheat. Don't forget about this money. If you can take care of your woman will not look elsewhere. That word is totally wrong. What this brother just said is totally wrong. No matter money you spend for a woman, that's like I said just now from the first video I said just now. I said this thing is lifeline. You understand? It's lifeline. I'm saying it, but people will take it as a joke. Some people will say, what is this guy saying? People were attacking me in this video. I was just holding my hand and look. But if you read as a reasonable man, you know that what I'm saying is truth. Because in this Europe, let's forget about Africa. In this Europe where we are, you don't need to, you know what our guest, like what that man just said.
You have 1 minute.
Okay. 30 seconds.
Okay.
Like what that man just said just now, said you will see most 80% of our guests in Europe that will say, my Oyibo man. The Oyibo man and we black, are we not using the same blood? I love that word, what he said. You understand? I love that word, what he said. So the reason why you don't have to put your trust in one girl in this Europe, because of what they are doing. You see a girl dating Oyibo man. Let's forget about the black. The Oyibo, they're not human be like us. So let's leave that aside. Concerning what you said about people were attacking me that the other woman say I'm a central boy. If you see somebody that is a central boy, you will know. First of all, you look that person ear. I did not bust my ear. Look my ear. I did not bust my ear.
No.
I don't have tattoo. I did not carry dread.
Okay.
You understand? So stop calling me I'm a central boy or something like that.
Okay.
You know me. So I'm just contributing because what I've experienced in this Europe. You understand?
Yeah.
You see, if you are dating a girl and the girl is not, at least like what our brother said, Siri just said just now, you know, this hand wash this hand. If you are dating a girl, at least the girl is not contributing 5 naira into the relationship. It's not a relationship. At least you assist each other, not on a daily basis. You understand? Not on a daily basis. You understand? That one will just say that I'm a central boy, this and this. If you say a central boy,
your time is up.
you will
Thank
know.
you so
You understand?
much.
So this program is not to abuse one another.
Yeah.
We all are learning this
I will
program.
talk
It's
about
just for
this
people
now.
to correct each other.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I'll talk about
So
this now.
thank you very much. This topic you just brought out today. It's a very nice and very great topic.
Okay.
I think we will be expecting more on Wednesday.
Yeah, on Wednesday.
I agree to you.
Wednesday is going to be bomb. Okay. Thank you so much. Anna, bye.
I agree.
Yeah. So please, no more calls. I will not pick any more calls again. Just listen. Let me just read out the comments I have here. Then I will round up the program with the little word I know I can be able to drop before I go. Okay. Let's start from this one. Is coming from Amanda Westlife. Amanda Westlife said it's not wrong to take a boyfriend out. Okay. Bobo John said, God bless you, Mama B. Okay. Bobo John said, I love this. Okay. Bros Sobobo Elvis Marcus said, nice contribution from Mama B. God bless you. Okay. This one is coming from John Paul. He said, a guy that's working and receiving 1,000 in a month and pay for house rent for everything, you will be left with 200 euros. I believe that guy will not have the mind dating two girls, whether good or bad. Any guy that so doesn't think. Okay, that one from John Paul. This one comes from Marcus. He said, nice one. Okay, reply John Paul. He said, nice one. This one is coming from Freda. He said, I don't understand what you mean by we love what you see. Okay. Freda said, shut up. Okay, maybe it's time to write to someone. This one is coming from Anita. Anita said, go sleep, Mumu. Okay. This one is coming from Freda said, see your mouth. Okay. Freda said, if I call you one name now, I go too big. I go too big. Okay. Anita said, please off this call. Okay. Now this one is coming from sister Anita. Anita says, sister, you too correct. Okay. Elvis Marcos says, sister, please take it easy, please. Okay. This one is coming from Saint Chukwuje. We said, madam, take am easy, no be fight. Okay. Teddy Martin said hello. Okay. Saint Chukwuje said, God bless you, baby girl. Okay. Femi Fumila said, God bless you, my sweet sister. Okay. This one is coming from John Paul. John Paul said, pick my call before I sleep. Okay, I've already done that. Teddy Martin said, hello. Lovett Johnson said, hello. Okay. This one is coming from Teddy Martin said, hello. Okay. St. Chuku JP said, Oga, pick other people call now. No time. Okay. John Paul said, pick my call before I go sleep. Okay. Joy Christina said, that is true, sir. Okay. Miss Grace said, bro Chris, I'm sorry for not being in your program because my connection is not good. Okay, I'm sorry for that. There's no problem. You're welcome. All the same. Okay. This is coming from David Brown. David Brown said, guy, how far now? David Brown said, long time. Okay. Ades Zokore said, Apostle John Paul. Okay. Selena Gianfranco just laugh. Okay. Bro Sobobo Marcos said, good night, everyone. Okay. You're welcome. Ades Okore said, but if they know they pay, but if them they pay you 5,000 euros, you go fit date two girls. John Paul reply Okore said, Mama G, I greet you. Okay. Ades Okore said, Serena, here you they hold your service. John Paul reply Okore said, now God, okay. Then this one is coming from DJ SS Money. Say how far? DJ SS Money, I must greet. Partner in business, not partner in crime, okay? I greet you. This one is coming from our day. They say, Pastor Sre, share the grace, make we go house. People get mad, yeah? DJ, okay, this one is coming from Senator Jane Franco. He said, I beg you go continue. I beg, I need to sleep. I will go school tomorrow. No verse. We have to end it here. On Wednesday, we continue. This one is coming from Miss Grace. Said, Senator Jane, you never sleep. Senator Jane Franco, you all laugh. Marcus Rashford said, what is trust, okay? Gianfranco said, depend on the guy or lady, okay? Gianfranco said, you have to continue the video. Please, I'm begging you. I have to go and sleep because of my school tomorrow. Thank you so much. Then Senator Gianfranco said, so no just run, Chris. Okay, sorry, I have to run for now. Then Friday Bossy said, hi. Friday Bossy said, evening, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Benty White said, hi. Okay, that's all we have in our comment box today. So please, I have to use this opportunity again to remind some of our viewers, please, this program is not meant for us to be fighting each other, no. It's meant for us to educate one another, like what St. Chukwu JP is trying to say. He made his own point. He have a reason. Whatever thing you say someone say in this group, in this program, he have a reason of saying that. So all you have to do, either you learn from it or you advise him on what to do, not just start attacking each other. Please, I'm begging. Let it not be our hobby in this program. Please, whatever you want to say that's your own opinion. Nobody is entitled to attack you. So that's what I want to say. But please, once again, I've already exceeded my time today. This is a minute after 12. But nevertheless, I have to round up before I can't just go like that. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because very soon I will be taking this program down to YouTube channel. We'll not be going to be doing it on Facebook, because this is my personal Facebook account I'm doing this with. So please do yourself a favor and a kind of help and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the videos, all the program I've been doing so far is right there in that YouTube channel. The YouTube channel name is Let's Educate Each Other. Once you type it on YouTube, it's only our channel will just come out. We don't have any other channel bearing that name. So just click on it and subscribe, so you get all our videos. In case you miss any of the program, you get all of them right there. And again, before I go, I have to drop this final announcement. On Wednesday, which is next week probably, we are having our first guest on this program. So please do yourself a favor by joining that program. I love the way we contributed so much in this program today, and a lot of people watched today's program. I'm so happy about that. Please continue sharing, continue broadcasting the good news you're understanding from this program, for what you're benefiting. I know it's quite educating. Tell more of your friends to join us. They will learn more in Jesus. They will learn more and more and more. That's how we'll be growing all the way. So please join us on Wednesday as we'll be hosting our first guest. By 10 o'clock we'll be inviting the guest, but the program starts exactly 9 o'clock, but 10 o'clock at dot we invite the guest to speak to us. Okay, so please get ready your pen and your book to write down your question and send in your comments so I can read it out and you will answer any question you want to ask. So remember, my name still remains Chris Nkume. If you add DJ for the front, I will thank you so much for giving me that accolade of a title of DJ. That's my profession. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's program. I bet you guys more are still coming your way. So join me again on Wednesday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. I will know, and I promise you will never regret doing that. So thank you so much. If I read your comments, I didn't read your comment, please do bear with me, because as you can see, you have a lot of callers and a lot of comments coming in. So I have to attend to everybody. So thank you so much, and God bless you, and still remain blessed and continue watching our program. That at the end of everything, we shall see the reason to be happy that we did watch this program. Thank you so much. I love you, the love of God. I love you from my heart. I love each and every one of you for your contribution. Thank you so much once again. Good night and have a wonderful night's sleep. I could have said you should sleep like a newborn baby, but when I feel go peace for bed, now we send a Chris and come and say man I sleep like baby. So I beg, sleep like a lion and wake up like a giant. I don't know how to put it, but all the same now, for just to sleep, have a very nice good sleep, okay? And that's it. And you know I cannot just go without dropping a motivational word, okay? And the motivational word for today is know where you're coming from. Definitely you will know where you're going. So think about it. I'll repeat it again. If you know where you're coming from, definitely you will know where you're going. So think about this word, and God bless you as you keep on watching. So see you on Wednesday, same time, same channel, same Facebook account, same station, same person, presenter Chris Nkume. Love you guys. I love you with all my heart. I can't wait to see you again on Wednesday. Bye. Good night.